Hi guys, we're going to unbox these earphones from Dzat. Here they are. I have already got another pair of Dzat headphones. These are an older model, a bit cheaper, but these worked incredibly well. Sound quality of these headphones is incredible, but mostly the sound isolation is very good on these headphones. These are from wood. I have these headphones for about 2 years now, and unfortunately the mic is not working anymore, and these ear tips started to deteriorate, and that's why I decided to buy myself another pair of headphones. So these are incredible, and that's why I chose Dzat again. So this is the logo. Let's open the box. I can't film with one hand properly, but I will try. Okay, we'll put this aside. Okay, nothing here. Ooh, these are nice. I hope they are better than the old model. Here we have something here. Let's pause this a little bit. Okay, finally managed to get this thing out, and I think the ear tips are here. Yes, they are here. Let's see them. I hope they have the same quality in terms of noise isolating, because that's the main reason I bought them. These phone ones are incredibly comfortable in the old pair. Now let's look at the headphones themselves. So we have another thing here, another seal here. Okay, so it seems that we have a small bag to carry the headphones. Some paperwork. One day you will find out. Choose Dzat is not lonely. Okay, interesting. You're not curious about this. They're a bit tricky to get out. So here there are. Oh, they are incredibly light. I thought they were a bit heavier, but no. They are incredibly light. Let me focus this. Incredibly light plastic. Cable is not braided, but it's kind of it has a rubbery feeling. It's a nice golden color here. I think this will tangle a lot more than the old ones, but if they work fine, that's all that matters. Where's the mic? Okay, here's the mic. Similar to the old model. Alright, I don't know if I should say older model or cheaper model that I have. It's the same. Unfortunately, there is no volume control here, only stop, play, and answer the phone and end the phone call conversation. So here there are Dzat earphones from China. I'm pretty happy with it, with the package, complete package, not that expensive, and I will now test the sound quality of these.